Hello, my name's Matty from Carlisle Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle. Here we have the approved used Audi A1 Black Edition, finished in the very stylish Python yellow. It's a 1 litre petrol sporting the S-tronic gearbox, drives amazing I must say, and it does certainly look the part. It's sitting on those stunning 18-inch 7-spoke rotor design alloys which complement the exterior styling perfectly. You have got the black styling accents on the vehicle, really contrasting very nicely with the yellow finish. You've also got your rear parking sensors at the back, making it nice and easy to reverse park. Generous amount of boot space, especially for the size of the vehicle. You have no trouble fitting any shopping or bags in. Let's move to the rear interior. We've got that half leather interior, ISOFIX points located in the rear, and plenty of legroom in the back there as well. So move to the front. You've got a very sporty yet stylish dashboard, very well set out. Got the front sport seats with the S-line embossing, gripping you very nicely to drive. These are very comfortable to be in as well. Got full electric windows, electrically adjustable and heated door mirrors, central locking as well as all your lighting controls. Onto your leather multifunctional flat bottom steering wheel. Now on the left hand side you've got your display controls, on the right you've got your Bluetooth and audio. You have also got your cruise control located just behind the steering wheel, fantastic for those longer journeys. It's currently on 10,515 miles. It does come equipped with the Audi virtual cockpit, allowing you to view your multimedia feature with a touch of a button. Onto your central touchscreen display now. On here you've got access to your DAB radio, AM and FM. You've got your Apple CarPlay. I'll insert a link to a video previously done on how you would set this up. It's nice and easy to do. You've got your Audi Drive Select, all dependent on your preference and terrain. You've got all the features such as your lights and vision. You've got your Bluetooth connectivity, camera setup in seconds. You've got a nice easy to use air conditioning panel, 12 volt socket as well as 2 USB ports, S-tronic gearbox, you've got a cup holders there. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 12 months extended warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01228 371 516 or inquire online now.